How much can a beginner make from dropshipping? Well, that's a question a lot of people are curious about. Before I answer that question, I'll give you a real-life example to help you visualize the potential of dropshipping. Let's say you're selling an electric fireplace for $700 and source it from a supplier for $400. You'll make around $300 in profit per sale. However, it's important to consider your marketing expenses as well. So, let's say your cost per click, CPC, on Google Shopping is $1 and your conversion rate is 1%, which is relatively low for Google Ads. You'll need 100 clicks to generate one order, 100 clicks, shoot, or one order. That means it will cost you $100 in Google Ads to sell one $700 electric fireplace. So, your net profit for each sale is calculated as follows. $700 selling price minus $400 cost of goods, sold minus $100 marketing spend equals $200 net profit. To generate a monthly profit of $3,000, you'd only need 15 orders, which translates to about one order every 2 days. That's something even a beginner can achieve with the right niche, product, pricing, and effective advertising. Therefore, I always recommend sellers consider niches or products with higher prices to start with dropshipping. While I can't give you a specific number, beginners can generally earn profits ranging from $500 to $5,000 per month in their first year.